scrolling. What if I told you AI just went crazy? No more static Ghibli images. Now, with one click, AI brings your photos to life like magic. Animated photos, no skills needed. Let me show you.
I know you're wondering how I was created. You've probably seen animated characters like me on YouTube and thought, how do they do this without showing their face? Maybe you're someone who wants to run a channel, but you're shy on camera, or you're tired of using still AI images that don't move or feel lifelike. Well, what if I told you that you can now turn any image, even your own photo, into a talking, moving, animated character that looks super real, and you can do it all for free? Whether you want to animate your pictures for storytelling, tutorials, online teaching, kids' videos, or even just to make your brand look cooler, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. In less than 10 minutes, you'll be creating your own virtual host just like me, no design or editing experience needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT or any AI assistant tool. Use ChatGPT Plus with image generation or any other AI assistant that can help you write prompts or create images. Step 2. Upload your image or choose to use a prompt. If you want the AI character to look like you, upload a clear, front-facing photo of yourself. Once the image is uploaded, type what you want the AI to turn it into. For example, turn this into a 3D Pixar-style character in a 16:9 landscape ratio. If you don't want to use your own image, don't worry. You can use a powerful prompt to create a character from scratch. You can use ChatGPT to generate custom prompts or write one yourself. Then head over to Leonardo AI or any AI image generator to create a high-quality version of your avatar. Step 3. Specify the aspect ratio for the image. This is very important to make sure your image fits your content format. Step 4. Generate the image. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Step 5. Download your AI image. Click on the image to open it, then tap the download icon to save it to your device. This is the image we'll be using for animation. Now, let's bring your character to life. Step 6. Go to Hedra. Hedra is a free and powerful AI tool that animates your character with voice, expressions, and movement. Step 7. Sign up or log in. If it's your first time, click Sign Up and create a free account. You'll get 300 free credits to start. Already have an account? Just log in. Step 8. Click Create Video. Upload your AI-generated image. You can also take a picture or create one inside Hedra, but we'll upload the image we already made. Make sure the face is clearly visible. The eyes are open. There's a neutral or slight smile. Lighting is good. Step 9. Add voice to your character. Hedra gives 3 ways to add voice. Option A. Use AI. Text-to-speech. Click Generate Speech. Type your script. Select a voice. Click Generate. Option B. Record your voice. Record directly on the site. Option C. Upload your own voice recording. Record on your phone or mic. Save as MP3, WAV. Upload. Free users can only upload 20 seconds of audio. Step 10. Set the aspect ratio. Choose the right format based on where you'll post. YouTube 16:9. TikTok Reels 9:16. Step 11. Add movement prompt. You can make your avatar move by adding a movement prompt like stand up and talk confidently. Wave hand while smiling. Click Inspire Me if you don't know what to write, or use ChatGPT to generate motion ideas. Then click Generate. An ad might pop up, just click Continue and wait for your video to render. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 12. Download your animated video. Once the video is ready, click Download and save it to your device. Bonus tip. If you use up your 300 free credits, just sign out and create a new account with a different email to get another 300 free credits. Now you can use this video as your YouTube virtual presenter in tutorial intros, for voice-over narration, as a brand face for your Faceless YouTube channel. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, check out my other amazing AI videos where I show you how to make a talking avatar, how to animate a moving avatar, my playlist filled with tutorials that help you build and grow a successful faceless YouTube channel. Click on the playlist showing on your screen now and start creating your dream channel today.